from arts to crafts, and I wanted to introduce this craft project to you in this way because I went about it differently this time. One of my earring holders broke, not while I was moving. Welcome to my new place. But as soon as I took her off the wall, she cracked for the second time in about 2 years. So she's gone her miles. But I didn't have the time nor the patience to fix her again. So I left her where I was, and when I got to my new spot and I started taking my earrings out, I filled my first one because I had two. I filled the first one, and then I'm the type of person that when I'm unpacking, I don't like to leave things laying out. Everything has to be in a place. So I found myself at Michael's. Excuse me, this is real life here. My son is running around. I found myself at Michael's getting my supplies for a different project. And I was like, you know what? Started thinking about some of the materials that were used in my earring holder that broke. And I said, you know what? I'm just gonna get some of the materials that were in that folder and I'm gonna make my own, at least for the time being. Now I will tell you, my earring holder is not as pretty as the one that broke, and I will be buying another one. But in the meantime, I have a place for my other earrings. So this is probably gonna be one of my shorter videos because I don't necessarily walk you through how I do it, but I will like give you some instruction now and then just kind of show you how I did it in pictures, because that's how I did it in pictures. So I bought a piece of wood from Michael's, square piece, or whatever you want, and for whatever you want. I also bought a roll of burlap, and this burlap has writing on it, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then I had my glue gun, some scissors, okay, and a marker, so you can mark where you're gonna cut. What I did was I took the burlap and I wrapped it around my wood, okay, and you'll see it in the pictures. But I went ahead and I wrapped it around the wood. I glued it all the way around. I put a lot of glue on all my ends because the earrings get heavy, right? So and then what I did was, if you know those little nail hooks that you screw into the wall and it's a hook, I actually put that as to hold up the wood on the wall, and I put that in the middle, and all the rest of my earrings are there. Now I'm also a photographer, so I had space. I made space in the middle of the two burlap pieces. I hung my earrings in the burlap holes, worked out perfect. And in between, I just put some of my photography. So, and you'll see. I hope you like it, and I hope that it inspires you to do something like that for yourself. All right? Have a great one, and thanks for watching.